Hey everyone! Experiencing the dreaded 0x822016 error on your PlayStation portal? Don't worry, it's a common issue where your portal can't connect to Wi Fi, preventing you from enjoying remote play. This error essentially means your portal is having trouble talking to your Wi Fi network and your PS5. Think of it as a bad phone connection. The good news is, it's usually not a hardware defect, but a hiccup in your network settings or connection. We'll break down the common causes, which include incorrect Wi Fi credentials, IP address conflicts, router firewalls blocking the device, or interference from other devices. Remember, for remote play to work smoothly, you need a stable Wi Fi connection with at least 15 Mbit download and 5 upload speed. All right, let's fix this. First, the simplest solutions are often the best. Power cycle your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds and restart both your PlayStation Portal and your PS5. Next, double check that your Wi Fi password is entered correctly on the portal. Make sure Remote Play is enabled on your PS5 in Settings, System, Remote Play. If that doesn't work, try these tips. Ensure both your PS5 and Portal are on the same Wi Fi network, preferably the 5 GHz band, which experiences less interference. If you are on a corporate or VPN network, disable the VPN on the PS5 and use a guest Wi Fi hotspot. If you're tech savvy, you can try MAC address spoofing, but this is a more advanced solution. Many users in rural areas have found success by upgrading to a Wi Fi 6 router. Most importantly, keep your PlayStation Portal's firmware up to date for the best performance. By following these steps, you'll have a much better chance of resolving error 0x83200116 and getting back to remote play.